Hello friends! Today we're going to use our imagination to meditate together. Please make sure your eyes are closed softly, as if you're getting ready to fall asleep. But please don't fall asleep. Keep your eyes closed, but do not go to sleep. Stay awake and listen to my voice. Try your best not to move, and try to feel your body remaining still and calm. Now, let's use our imagination. Feel your body becoming light, so light it begins to float up off the ground. Imagine soaring into the sky where it's warm and beautiful. The sky is blue and full of white, puffy clouds. Birds are flying all around you, singing in the warm, golden sunshine. Where are you going to fly? How fast are you going? What can you see? Maybe you should fly to your favorite place. What is your favorite place? Imagine it now. Imagine what it looks like. What does it smell like? Are there any other people, or are you there by yourself? Imagine flying all around your favorite place, looking at the best things. Now, let's continue flying up, 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 soaring through the beautiful blue sky. Fly to another place. Overhead, look down. What can you see? Who's below you? What are they doing? Wow, look up in the distance. I can see a rainbow. Let's fly, soar through the sky towards that rainbow. Can you reach your hand out and grab your favorite colors in your hand? Where should we go next? Let's continue to fly. Oh, a colorful kite in the sky. Let's chase it. Let's fly as fast as we can, chasing that colourful kite. Allow the kite to continue up, 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 down, left, right, loop-de-loop. Now let's fly away and find a large, leafy, beautiful tree. Let's go down from the sky and land safely and softly on the tree branches. I feel like a squirrel climbing in the trees. Oh, the tree is so strong. It doesn't break, it doesn't bend. It swings side to side, swaying in the wind. Let's have some fun. Let's climb up, 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 down, jump from one branch to another. Ooh, I feel like a monkey climbing in the trees. Now, let's climb all the way to the bottom. Ooh. The grass at the bottom of the tree is so green and soft. It's such a restful place. The tree gives me shade and the grass is so comfy. Let's lie down on the grass and relax under the shade of the tree. Feel completely relaxed, as if you're sinking into the soft grass below. Can you hear the birds singing overhead? Can you feel the warm breeze on your cheeks? Now let's begin to slowly wiggle our fingers and toes, making small movements and bigger movements, stretching our arms and our legs, stretching up and getting back into a comfortable position. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today for this guided meditation. I've had so much fun meditating with you today. I hope that you had fun too. And I hope to see you again very soon on your meditation journey. Take care, friends.